So they try to fuck with us, and it's like, just move on to something else.
I know a friend of mine, I got a friend of mine that he's such a great-hearted dude. And we all need, there's a use for everything. We all definitely need different. He's the one that, he's the kid that wants to be on the front line, protecting us all, our rights and shit, you know what I mean? That's the kind of guy he is. But at the same right, are you gonna live your whole existence fucking bugged out to the point that it's gonna fucking kill you, brother? You know what I mean? I thank you, but fucking relax. You know what I mean? You can't let that shit. As much as I beg you and plead, not fucking stress like that. Every day's the same, man. And I couldn't let it get it under my skin like that. I couldn't snatch this. I couldn't look at this.
Mr. Neil Flower, good to see you, my friend. How are you?
Good morning, Lucas. Good morning to you. Herbs in the morning. Herbs in the morning.
Brexit did that for us, Eagle. Brexit was such a dividing force in this country that I think everyone was like, actually, that's ugly. We all fell out with our friends. Not because of a girl, for a change, but because of fucking Brexit. And it's like everyone suddenly had a camp, and the two camps were against each other. I mean, I don't know, I'm telling you, like, it's the same as your presidential election every year. But Brexit really was the thing for us, where it was like, okay, fuck the media, because they are dirty. You know?
So there is a new technique of war, wasn't that called divide and conquer? Yeah. It would be effective, right?
Yeah, very, very effective. Make them kill themselves. That's a new feature. You see, these oligarch guys.
Only you could see the comment. I quite like it. It's cool. It's like, oh well, then you're just talking to the person who, rather than grandstanding, you're just talking to that one person. So maybe you'll be civil.
But do you see how the changes are slowly? All right, no more thumbs down. Okay. The good thing for silver buffs out there, they quit minting the U.S. Eagles for the holidays, which is against the law. By the way, you have to provide silver eagles to meet the name. It's written into our Constitution. Okay? So we have a lot of.
I kind of want one then. Can you get me one?
Oh, they're every month. And I just throw them away. The silver prices but whatever. I mean, that's just a lot of people say that. You have to see it. What's that?
I don't necessarily like the YouTube thing there. Being able to not, you have the right to not like or dislike whatever, you know what I mean? And that should show just as much as the thumbs up. Because why guide me to think this is the greatest thing? That's what it's guiding you, just like the thumbs down. You know what I mean? It's just trying to take you to like a positive direction. You can't look at every video. Oh, look at the thumbs up. Yeah, it's all good. Well, it might not be good information or whatever, just because it's got a ton of thumbs up. Why not have the thumbs down to give you a counterbalance? To see, maybe that leads you. The only thing that I kind of liked about it is we had the option before to shut off negative content or comments or filter them out. The only thing I and I don't really like it is, like I said before, I never minded the thumbs down. There wasn't a great amount of them, and like I get, you had your fucking right to thumbs down, or not even to tune in. Your feedback. Oh shit! You can tell them it was me, motherfucker? Oh shit! I better not dislike this. I don't want to be mad at me and shit. That's basically what it is. It intimidated you not to put your thumbs down on it. You sure? We're gonna tell them. We're gonna fucking tell them. Your feedback is being recorded to the contact period. I'm like, it's just the same thing as we were talking about before. They're trying to fucking manipulate the could dislike the show.
Why have
Yeah,
it?
or yeah.
Why have it at all? If you have something you want to say, fucking say it. All right, don't
Just
hide
turn the
behind.
just
don't
just,
hide
just turn the
behind
video
something.
off.
Yeah, don't hide
Just turn the
beside-
video
You know
off
what?
and watch the next video.
The only
I need
reason
to
why
know
they
what you
left the
think.
likes, the only reason why they left the likes is because they did the same shit on fucking Instagram. Is because we need the fucking dopamine, just like they want us to fucking check. Oh, look at the likes! Look at the likes! We're gonna keep making contact. Oh, look at the likes! They did the same thing on Instagram, but when they couldn't see the likes, the content slowed down. We didn't know fucking. Did we have 10,000 likes? It didn't seem as fun anymore. When they
What
gave
is the
back to
point?
us,
It was showing you what I had for dinner.
Look, we got numbers again. That's why they left the likes. Is for us to get our cheese.
Or
Make
would
the
you?
content.
Yeah, but wouldn't you make better content to make somebody actually fucking comment instead of give you a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Let me see if I can make a video that's worth commenting on instead of some guy doing stupid shit to get a thumbs up or a down.
Look, Mingus, here's the comment. The comment is the fire symbol, the happy face symbol, and the heart. It's not even a fucking language. What's the difference between that and a like? Like, we aren't having deep conversations. Yeah.
Well, that's what we become reduced to.
Yeah, symbols.
Like I do it all the
Love
time.
you.
You know, when I go to the chat room, I copy and paste my thing in my guy with the glasses, and I just hit Control B, which I learned how to do. And it just pastes it in there for everybody to see. And it makes it simple and easy so I can give an individual little right? But with social media, it isn't. I mean, look what we're doing right now. But it's their manipulation of us. I think that's what we're talking about. It's the mind control, dopamine, this stupid is talking about, right? And that's what they know is
Dogs
better
lining
than
up at the yard, lining up to get ready for the next. You know what I'm saying? It's the
they
same
know us
thing.
better than we know ourselves. Something that needs to be fixed. Something that needs to be fixed. Right? Know yourself. That way
That's the key.
Nobody can fuck you. If you know
Spend the
yourself.
time. Spend the time to get to know yourself.
They don't want to do that. You kidding me? I have that aspect of humanity.
Very easy people videos.
You can't address your cooking settings. Correct. That's what they recommend as far as settings. That's what the
Go to Instagram, follow MSNBC, and
and read the comments on the fucking posts. It will just show you how absolutely